We are in Togo. We didn't finalize the last day's episode, I'm sorry for that, but yesterday was kind of crazy, and we were looking for a hotel. We found a hotel. We had a lot of issues in the border, and the corruption is really deep. They were asking 5,000 for filming, 3,000 just per entrance per person. So Daniel stays outside and I'm going in here. Giant, they have amazing little things. These are the animals. Tradition. And the artwork they have done. And crosses they have put into, the thought they have put into the time. Hello. Everything.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, please, we want to show you the thing one by one. Here we have some mic, different some mic.
Yes.
For paravan, for a long time, some people we are using for this one. For now, we have different costs for this one to show you people. Okay. So when some people have this one, this statue now is represent of the one parrot. You know parrot.
Parrot. Yes, the bird.
Yes, it's represent of the parrot. This one. So we have cities. So a long time the mic. Some people they take to cover to in face.
Yes.
Okay. So that time we are never, my father or my mother, you are never born some pikin. So you prepare this one to live. When you get charged, you go take to show your pikin says for your grandfather time. It be like this one where they use it. When some people you are king, when you want to sit, you go do sacrifice for you before you go sit. Be like this chairs where they take to use it. This one. Statue where some grandfather, the fetish man people you use it. This one time. So when all of where they here is for sale, even you have to buy anyone, we go give it to you, no problem.
I need something that is good for good luck.
You need something for the good luck.
Yes.
After finish, you go to inside to see the fetish man.
It looks amazing. And it's like moving.
You can take to eat any food, tea or cocoa, any food at all. Where you want, you can take this one to eat. This one is for, you call them affiliated with adversity, man or woman. Some people you get the charge with the person live, not there. So you can fit take this one, anyone. Even the person is man or is woman, you go take the woman. Even the person is man, you go take the man. When you want to eat, you go take to stand to your face to eat together. So you go remember the person where you live. You take this star. To cook some medicine for you. How you go use it, the father or the old man, the fetish man go let you know how you go taking the powder, how you go use it, you go let you know.
Make a tea.
Yes. Okay. This one is for lucky for the star. You have viper, the food one. Viper. Some people they walk from the blue side. Bruce. People they walk from the blue side. You go try to get viper. You go take to prepare protection for you. When you take to protect, add some different some herb to cook some medicine to put it for your body. Any snake they go come to cut your body. This one is the column
Varan.
vulture.
Vulture.
Yes, vulture. Some people have. We are taking to helping some person where you get some snake. When you are sick, like wish problem, you go take this one because there's some wish people they enter for this egg. Some people they take in life to enter for this vulture to fly. You call this one parrot. You know parrot?
Yes, of course.
You see, parrot. That parrot, no. When you have problem with your memory, you take it. That memory, that parrot you go take to mix to cook. You go making parrot. You go mix with the honey to eat. You use it. You are never to forget again. Is crocodile skin. Crocodile. You see this man, the president of the statue, we call him Legba. Some people have problem like totally potence. This man, when you have problem with the total potence, when you come, this man, you go wake up. Your potence, you will come strong. This one, the represent of the fetish man, the person where they work that problem. This one represent of the person. This one, we call Egun. He is called of the Yoruba. We're from Nigeria. There's some people there. Long time you want to do sacrifice where your person will come back. When you come back, you come like this. Only yesterday we were doing the sacrifice. Only yesterday. This one, we call him Egu, the market dog, market god. So people have any problem, you come to confess, to talk, to ask what you want to your life. When you come, you can feel ask, we are not get charge, we are not get job, we are no, my business no they goes fine, or we are no married. What you want, you go come to complain to him. After that, you go.
As he explained before, that a chameleon is for good luck, for change in the life. As a chameleon changes, they believe.
This is for the bad luck to go away, and people who are wishing you bad, it's gonna go back to them. You need to cook it, eat it, take a bath with it.
While Mimi's in the fetish market, I want to a little bit say a story about what happened yesterday at the borders. Basically, when we tried to leave Ghana border, there were some illegal agents who wanted to collect the tracker with the official documents, which I overpaid into entrance of the Ghana. It costed us 2,000 cedis, and it's roughly about 235 euros just to pass with the motorcycle, as I didn't have a carnet. Then these unofficial agents wanted to collect it, and I denied to give anything to them. So I went directly to the customs and explained them the situation, showed them the papers. They were a little bit confusing for them because, how I said on the packing list, there was like 1,200 cartons of cigarettes, palm oil and many other things. It didn't go well. It was like 2 hours a waste of time. And then the agents came, sneaked it up exactly when I was already passing Ghana border. They wanted to drag me back in and say you have to pay 25,000 cefas more, which is not even Ghana currency. So that's kind of interesting. I started having a huge argument with them. He started shouting. I went up to him really hardcore and started shouting in his face and pushing him. He said, "Don't touch me, don't touch me." Well, you don't touch me, you're a small little midget, so you ain't gonna do nothing, and you're not gonna demand money, especially you don't give me any papers or receipt of anything. Anyway, so we passed them the Ghana border, went into Togo. 10,000 cefas each visa costed, and there was, of course, every time there's a borderman who helps. So in the start he said, "I'll fix everything," so you always give your papers, passport, driving license, even your motorcycle documents to them, because they know the local guys to process all these things very fast. And I gave him 5,000 cefa, which was to let my motorcycle pass through the country. And then he mentioned, "Oh, I paid more for your motorcycle, 35,000 cefa, which is 7 times more." 35,000 cefa is 50 euros. So man, I just feel I'm getting ripped off everywhere where I go with my motorcycle. It wasn't a good day today, lots of arguments, and we didn't finish yesterday's episode. So this I wanted to blend in yesterday's episode, but here I am in Togo Fetish Market, Lome. I didn't pay my entrance fee, that's why I'm sitting at the guy's table over here protecting our stuff while Mimi is showing all the cool stuff around the fetish market. Sorry for a long video, and waiting for Mimi to finish, to carry on our drive.
We are leaving the fetish market. I bought some talismans, so I hope they do work.